Hey friends, what's up, Wagwan? Welcome back to another video. So it's 25 days of Christmas and we are free. I'm really excited. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you stick around and spend the entire 25 days of Christmas with me because I will be doing something this Christmas time. Alright, so stick around for that. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Trends by Lisi and you are welcome to my channel. Please go ahead and subscribe down below, leave a comment, leave a like, and let's jump right into the video. Alright, as you can see, I am sitting at my vanity.
Here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. Vixen and Vixen and all his reindeers pulling on the reins. Bells are ringing, children singing, all is merry and bright. So hang your stockings and say your prayers, cause Santa Claus comes tonight. Here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. He's got a bag that's filled with toys for boys and girls again. Hear those sleigh bells jingle, jangle, oh, what a beautiful sight. So jump in bed and cover your head, cause Santa Claus comes tonight. Here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. Got a bag that's filled with toys for boys and girls again. Hear those sleigh bells jingle, jangle, oh, what a beautiful sight. So jump in bed and cover your head, cause Santa Claus comes tonight. Here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. Doesn't care if you're rich or poor, he loves you just the same. Santa Claus knows we're all God's children, that makes everything right. So fill your hearts with Christmas cheer, cause Santa Claus comes tonight. Making a list, checking it twice. He's gonna find out who's naughty at night. Santa Claus is coming now. He sees you when you're sleeping. He knows when you're awake. He knows if you've been bad or good, to be good, for goodness sake. Oh, you better watch out. Better not cry, better not pout. I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. why Santa Claus is coming to town. He's making a list and he's checking it twice. He's gonna find out who's been naughty and nice. Santa Claus is coming to town. He sees you when you're sleeping. He knows when you're awake. He knows that you've been bad or good. So be good, for goodness sake. Oh, you gotta watch out. You better not cry. You better not pout. I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town.
Gone away is a bluebird, here to stay is a new bird. He's singing a song as we go along, walking in the wonderland. Well, in the meadow we can build a snowman and pretend that he is Parson Brown. He'll say, "Are you married?" We'll say, "No, man, but you can do the job when you're in town." Later on, we'll conspire as we dream by the fire to face unafraid of the